Italy,
Germany, Greece, Wales.
welcome to Catalonia.
And welcome to San Josep School.
Our home is your home. Some of your dreams will come true. Friends, we can stop being friends. We will work together. You will live a great experience. Our goal is to meet new people. Our goal is to learn from others.
Our goal is to have fun together.
Our goal is to remember this experience forever. Our goal is having a good time. You discover Catalonia. You'll make friends. You'll play. You'll have great fun. You will visit Passerelle Castle. You'll taste our food. You'll feel our warm weather. We will walk in the countryside. You create us great memories.
Discovery Castle.
When you pack your luggage, remember to bring sunglasses, sun cream, a cap, a towel for the shower, a white t-shirt, a sporty shoes, an umbrella or raincoat, and a camera to remind your good memories.
This is our secondary school called Aquest. Follow me.
Here, we are going to have fun playing together. Here is the playground. We will meet here after the snack.
This is the canteen where we will have breakfast and dinner every day. Tasty, tasty.
And do you know where are we going to sleep? Here, come with me. Here, we will sleep all together.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Hi friends, let's walk to Passerelle Castle.
Let's go!
Walking in the countryside in a spring is lovely.
Yes, lovely.
And there it is, Passerelle Castle.
Very soon we are going to be here. And last but not least, all together we cooked our KCC recipe with 100 grams of happiness, 1 kilo of responsibility, 1 grape of marshmallow, lots of cooperation, 200 grams of respect, some drops of creativity,
a piece of passion. 2 tablespoons of solidarity. Half a liter of kindness.
2 kilos of friendship.
Half a cup of illusion. Half a kilo of love.
And a 1 ton of faith in our project. Stir it well.
Put them in the oven for 5 days and...
Wonderful surprises are waiting for you. See you soon.
See you!